Welcome back to my channel. I do hope you guys are having a great day or great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button or that notification bell. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you recently subscribed to my channel, thank you, thank you, thank you for the support. And if you've pretty much been subscribed to my channel for the longest, thank you for continuing to come back to my channel to watch some of my videos, and some of them are a little crazier than others. But what I wanted to do is do a check-in from the last time that I got paid, which is my last December paycheck from December the 29th, and we're going to do a check-in from the 29th through January the 8th, which was yesterday on a Saturday. So first we're going to talk about this, and then we're going to talk about what I spent and how much money I have left for cash envelopes. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we are going to look at Chick-fil-A. When it comes to Chick-fil-A, this was right after my doctor's appointment, and I had already been fasting for who knows how many hours, so I was extremely hungry. So instead of coming back to the house, I just grabbed me and Travis something to eat from Chick-fil-A. And that same day, I also ordered food from Instacart and gave the guy a tip, which totaled to 70 bucks. When it comes to the 30th, it was a no spin. The 31st was a no spin. Also when it comes to the 1st, I didn't spend anything. When it comes to the 2nd, we had Taco Bell. We also went to the grocery store. When it comes to the 3rd, there was a no spin. When it comes to the 4th was also a no spin. When it comes to the 5th, I did use random savings to buy a little more groceries than normal due to the snow coming in. And we also went to Zaxby's, which I will put what we purchased from Zaxby's. And then we move on to the 6th, 7th, and 8th, which were all no spins. When it comes to the 6th, let's go ahead and put the no spin sticker. What the heck is that? No spin sticker down. These stickers did come from Megan at Her Courage to Plan. It is currently raining outside. I also had a no spin for the 7th. And yesterday we didn't spend anything as well. So this is my overall layout. Now, all of the payday stickers, the expense tracker stickers are all from Her Courage to Plan. Everything else is from Gold Mine and Cocoa. I actually set this spread up in November whenever Megan sent this here in the mail. So I was just trying to figure out how it would work. And I'm going to use the stickers that I currently have because, yeah, I have a lot of them. So now let's go ahead and check in on the cash. Also, this will be my 2022 planner for the year, unless I decide to change my mind, which you all know that I typically do that. But anywho, let's go ahead and check in on the cash to make sure we have the correct amount of money. So first we'll just do it in order. So when it comes to giving, I haven't seen anybody, so I still have my $3. So I'll just let me just get this pen. My sister got me this pen from the Hershey's factory when she went to New York. So for giving, we still have $3 because I haven't seen one soul that needed some cash. And what I'm going to do is just sit down. Now, I am at work, so I'm just trying to stay in frame and hope you guys don't really see any of my work stuff. So for giving, for check-in, we're doing 0. Also, these envelopes here are from Tiana Chanel on Instagram. I did it again. Tiana Chanel on YouTube, as made by Tiana on Etsy, and Budgeting with Tiana Chanel on Instagram. Also, if you hear any noise in the background, it is raining pretty hard outside. So let's go ahead and go to food. So when it comes to food, sorry, wrong side. So from here on down is pretty much what I've spent. So I should have $37 left after spending $63. Also, when it comes to food, remember I did do 170, but I spent that 70 on Instacart to get some groceries. So we're going to do 170 minus 70 minus 63, which gives me a total of having $37 left. So 170 minus 37, that means I spent $133. 133. And let's see how much I have. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. So that is correct. Also, when we went grocery shopping, Travis did give me $80 to put towards groceries. When it comes to spending, I budgeted for 20 bucks. And I haven't spent anything, so I still should have $20 left. So I have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 bucks. I also get paid next week, which is a good thing. That means that I can put all of the cash that I have left over into my rollover envelope, and I can't wait to count everything and share with you guys what I'm going to do with all of that money. When it comes to gas, which I don't have on here. Wow. Oh, okay. I remember why we didn't have gas on here. We didn't have gas on here because I took that $20 that I budgeted from DoorDash and got gas. So that's why we don't have gas on here. When it comes to household things, I budgeted for 20 and I still have that $20 left. So it's 0. When it comes to laundry, I typically just get a ton of quarters. So I have all of these quarters left, but since they're going to get used, I'm just going to put that we did spend $20 for laundry. When it comes to just in case, for just in case, I did budget for 20 bucks. So we still have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 bucks. So I haven't spent any money from there either. And it's okay if you guys see these cards because they don't have anything on the front other than where the card is from. So that's fine. So for just in case, it's 0. And when it comes to travel, I did put $20 in travel, but we're not adding travel. So we would put 0 for that one as well because it's a saving funds that I keep in my cash envelope. So altogether, 3 for groceries, even though I did budget for 170. So 63 plus 20 equals me spending $83. So I should have $120 left. And to make sure, we can just do this here. So we have 37 from groceries. We have 20 from spending. We have 3 from giving, 20 from the house, 20 from just in case, and 20 from travel equals $120. And I got those numbers. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to fix that. So this is supposed to say 120, but it look like a bunch of, yeah, let me just fix it. At this point, whiteout is literally my best friend because I definitely use it a lot. So $120, and they came from all of the ones that have 0 beside them. So let's see how much I'll spend between now and when I get paid on Wednesday. Okay. So if we go to the bottom, all of this is still the same. Except what I did was for girls trip, I'm just going to start over for girls trip, and I just made that change last night. So the money that went to girls trip went to medical. And if we write everything out, 166.82. Offering is the same for 99.82. Expenses is the same for 627.54. When it comes to cash envelopes, we did spend $83. And when it comes to saving, that amount is still the same with $536.46. And let's see if we can get the correct number, because y'all know $120, which is this amount here that we have left for cash envelopes to last until I get paid on Wednesday morning or Wednesday afternoon. It may not be until Friday, but I'm definitely hoping that I do get paid early. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and happy Sunday, everyone.